In this demonstration, we're going to restore data from a shadow copy. The first step is to enable shadow copy service at the volume level. Right-click on my C drive, pick Configure Shadow Copies. The Shadow Copies dialog box comes up. You'll notice the volume C shadow copies are currently disabled. I selected Enable. I want to say yes to the confirmation dialog, and boom, it is now enabled. Okay. The next step, let's go ahead and test this out. We're going to create a folder called Data, and inside the Data folder we're going to create a file that we're going to use to test the shadow copy restore process. So we're going to go ahead and create our new text document. We're going to call it testfile.txt, and let's edit that. We're going to type version 1 and save it. So our copy currently says version 1. Now we're going to go ahead and select Configure Shadow Copies. That takes us back to the Shadow Copies dialog where I can select Create Now. Shadow copies have a schedule and they take shadow copies during the scheduled times, but you can always fire one off whenever you want by hitting Create Now, which we just did. So let's enable that, or let's cause that feature to happen. I'm going to go ahead and open up the doc, modify it, change version 1 to version 2, save that. Now let's go back to the original version, and to do that, you go to your File, there's a Restore Previous Versions option, and there's the extensive list of previous versions of that file. Let me select that one and hit Restore. Are you sure you want to restore that previous version? The answer is yes. And then let's go take a look, and lo and behold, version 1, this is the original version of that document.